We are back. What are we back with?
Our eggs. So remember, this is supposed to be the see-through bouncy egg. Alright? So let's start. So which one should we do first? Let's do this one.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
I'm scared it's gonna break. Alright. It still seems hard.
It's still the
Looks
same.
like the water didn't do anything.
Okay, so it didn't change? Right, be careful now.
I think I'm gonna transfer this into this. But let's do the vinegar first. Alright, so this is the vinegar with our egg. And pour it into here.
You probably wanna be ready so it doesn't fall in the bowl.
It feels very, very light.
Okay, it's peeling.
It's just rubbing off like that.
So the extra shell that's on there, right? Go ahead and wrap it and just scrape it off. But what else are you seeing with that egg? The size, in relation to the size.
It got bigger.
It got bigger. Can you put it next to the other one? Maybe can I help you?
Alright, let me set this down. And I'm gonna grab this one.
Wow, that's a big difference. Alright, go ahead. Let me put them again together. Alright, go ahead.
So I'm gonna put this one back. And the main experiment of this, remember, this is supposed to be bouncy.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you have to keep on rubbing with it.
Yeah, but you gotta be gentle.
But don't scrub so hard so it'll break. Just rub gently with your fingers. You're starting to see the inside? That's good. I think our yolk mixed up now. It's yellow.
The liquid is yellow.
Okay, so I drop it from here.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Remove the spoon from there.
And as you can see,
So you're trying to bounce it on the water? Okay. What if you bounce it on the empty bowl?
In here?
Yeah, move that
Should I
glass
do it
from
higher?
there.
Alright.
Okay, right. Keep going higher. Right. Okay, it's still bound. Whoops! What happened?
It broke.
Okay.
So, what that is supposed to show is the shell is the hard part to keep it intact. But then in the inside, you have this light membrane. That's what it's called, the membrane.
It's the membrane. Okay, good. When you started, you said you thought the yolk had mixed in. Did it mix in?
Nope. It had never mixed in.
So what was making you think it did?
The shell.
Because when the shell moved and you could see through the membrane, you thought what you could see is the bright yellow. So you thought everything is mixed in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's interesting. So what do we know about that? Now circle back on why we did that. I know we enjoyed the bouncing, we enjoyed you scraping off the extra shell that was on there. What made it scrape off as opposed to the one in the water?
The vinegar.
What did the vinegar do?
It removed the calcium from the shell.
Good. kind of like, you remember the bone,
the bone, how it was so bendy.
Yeah, how it was bending. When calcium is removed
by the vinegar taking out that calcium.
Okay, so that means even the chicken have to have enough calcium as they are producing the eggs. Otherwise, would we have an egg that we can really, preserve, cook without the shell like that?
No.
They would break all the time because the membrane is so thin. Okay, well, all right, summarize for them.
So, just like the bones, all eggs also need calcium. The shell needs calcium to be able to work properly and not break.
To be able to form, so that it can cover the yolk.
And the membrane in the yolk. So yes, there will be a membrane inside, but it's very thin, so it cannot withstand like hard falls and all that.
Exactly. Even the process of being laid by the hen, it won't make it out if it doesn't have the hard shell. All right? All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.